Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are building an automatic street light system using an ESP32 and an LDR sensor. The system will automatically turn on a light when it gets dark. So let's dive in. Here's what we will need for this project: an ESP32, an LDR sensor, a relay module to control the light, and a basic LED or a bulb for the street light. The LDR sensor will detect the ambient light, and when it gets back, it will trigger the relay to turn on the street light. Let's start by wiring everything up. The LDR sensor will be connected to one of the analog pins of the ESP32. For this project, we will use GPIO 34. The relay module will be connected to a digital pin to the ESP32 to control the light. The LED will be connected through the relay and connect all of the VCC and the ground. Now that our circuit is ready, let's write the code for the ESP32. LDR underscore pin 34 is the GPIO pin where the LDR sensor is connected, which is 34. The relay is connected to pin 12. Initialize light level equal to 0. This is used to store the light level. Initialize threshold equal to 500. Define the threshold for turning the light on and off. In the setup, we have this serial.begin. This line initializes the serial monitor with a baud rate of 115200, which allows us to monitor the output from the ESP32 on the serial monitor. Pin mode LDR pin is set to as input because the LDR sensor is providing data that the ESP32 needs to read. Then pin mode relay underscore pin sets the relay as the output because the ESP32 will send signal to the relay to turn the light on and off. Serial.println sends an initial message to the serial monitor indicating the project is ready. In the loop, analog read LDR underscore pin. This reads the analog value from the LDR sensor. It gives us a value between 0, which is no light, and 1023 as the maximum brightness. Then we have this print function for displaying the light level. This check if the light level is less than threshold. If it is, it's considered dark and the system will turn the light on. And on that basis, we have the relay as high and low, which makes the LED on and off. Now that our code is ready, let's upload it to the ESP32. Once uploaded, the system will automatically detect the light level around it. So we need to adjust the LDR sensor brightness. If it's bright, the light will stay off. Light intensity falls below the threshold, the light will turn on. As you can see here, when the light level drops below the set threshold, the street light turns on automatically. You can extend it project by integrating it with other IoT services. For example, you can add a web server to control the light manually or monitor its status remotely. You could also use a real-time clock module to automatically turn on and off based on the time of day. And that's it. You have just built an automatically street light system using an ESP32 and an LDR sensor. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.